Hi, it's Eric, and I want to talk to you very quickly about the Who's Up Next list and how it works in Teamzy. If you look at your dashboard, in the center of the dashboard, you'll see this Power Hour module. That's where you're going to work your Power Hour. The Who's Up Next list is designed to let you get all your income producing activity, or your DMO, if you will, completed in less than an hour a day. And the magic of it is the Who's Up Next list. So there's actually three Who's Up Next lists in Teamzy: your prospects, your customers, your distributors. The way this works is Teamzy tells you literally who's up next. So the next person on my list to connect with is Julianne. It takes the wondering and the guesswork out. I don't have to sit there and go, who should I talk to? I connect with Julianne. Now, what Teamzy will do is it cycles your whole list through this Who's Up Next list based on the number priority you set with them, right? The 5-star people will come up before the 1-star people, and based on the last time you connected with them. So you don't ever have to think. It automatically cycles people through. Now, some of you will be tempted to just go, oh, I just want to connect with who I want to connect with today, and then I'll log it in Teamzy. That's fine. You can do that from time to time, but I will tell you that people will fall through the cracks. If you follow the Teamzy Up Next list on a daily basis, nobody will ever fall through the cracks. You'll never miss anybody, and you'll be in contact more often with the most important people. It actually makes you incredibly more efficient than you could be on your own. So lean into this system. Do a Power Hour 5 days a week and allow the Teamzy Up Next list to be your guide. That way you don't miss anybody and you can just log as you go. Hopefully that was helpful. Have a great day. God bless you. We'll talk to you soon.